Good afternoon, this is Pat Walker at MissionWinners.com, and I'm doing an instructional video for everybody. As you all know, I used to teach on the university level, and I had really high expectations. These were primarily classes for students, seniors getting ready to graduate, and again, I had high expectations. I wasn't a jerk, but my final was 24 pages typed and trying to prepare these people for what's out there, and I loved it. I just loved it. So I'm serious about teaching. I think it's very, very important. It's not just the idea of giving stock ideas, it's education so that you understand why. To know that 2 plus 2 equal 4, and I say this a lot, to know that 2 plus 2 equal 4 is great, but to know why 2 plus 2 equal 4 is knowledge that is transferable to other situations. Then you'll know why 3 plus 3 equals 6. And you can say that's very simplistic. Well, you can take it very simplistically, but it's transferable knowledge. And so we're trying to do that here at MissionWinners.com. So here we go. We're taking a look at Alibaba. This is last week. I'm looking at the chart, and here's what I see. It goes up on good volume right here, and it closes okay. But now look at the next day. It gaps up. It falls down big all the way below the 200-day, down to the 20-day, and then comes back up and actually closes up on the day in the top fourth of its range of the daily bar on a pickup in volume. What does that tell you, folks? It tells you they supported this stock here. Well, I was looking at this, and I told the VIP members that if this takes out the highs of this bar right there, the highs of this bar, that could be bought, that we'll be buying it. Well, let's advance it one day. It falls down. You can see it open here. It fell down, and then it comes back up, and it takes out these highs and these highs on these 2 days. We bought it right here. Bought it right here. Look at the volume. People talk with their mouths and vote with their pocketbooks, folks, and by Jove, they voted. And off it goes. That's a good move. We'll take it a step further. This is today. This is what it did today. So we're in right here, and we're up over 11 points. Just like that. By the way, please don't think, oh, I'm not bragging. No, that's sophomoric. I'm trying to educate you on the chart patterns to look for. This is Alibaba. This is what we look for. It was on the list. We own it. I own it. VIP members own it. I called it out, said I'm buying. But they also had it on the list from the night before. And again, people talk with their mouths and vote with their pocketbooks. Right here, folks, they voted. They voted, and we're with them. I wanted to explain that to you. I hope that makes sense. Study the open, the high, the low, the close. The open, the high, the low, the close, and volume. They bought it. And the next day, it falls, comes back, taking this out. With volume, we're off to the races. There's a good lesson for you on Alibaba, and I hope that helps you. Again, my goal is to educate. Educate and inspire. I think it's very, very important. And I thank you very much.